Aging is something we all have to come to terms with, but that doesn't mean we can't do anything about it. With Beauty Library's Ultra 360 V-Defined treatment, you can now have your youthfulness restored. This treatment uses the latest MMFU, microfocus and macrofocus ultrasound technology, which is an upgraded version of the traditional High Intensity Focused Ultrasound. What's different about this tech is that it allows us to customize the treatment to your targeted results. If you've been searching for solutions to go back in time for that lifted face, contoured jawline, diminished laugh lines and wrinkles, the Ultra 360 V-Defined treatment is what's best for you. Come and experience this treatment today, only at Beauty Library.